Hello everyone, a doctor's devotion and care brings healing, comfort and hope. A special day is observed to thank them for their human services to mankind. Doctors are one of the most inspiring figures of the society and their efforts should be celebrated every day.
So I am the Mitra of 3rd A along with my friend Anishka Garg. Welcome you all to our special assembly on National Doctors Day. We celebrate this day in honor of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who was born on 1st July 1882. He was Bharat Ratna awardee and former Chief Minister of West Bengal.
We celebrate this day to show gratitude to all the medical professionals for their unconditional and selfless help.
So let's begin our celebrations with an eloquent and powerful speech by Divisha Tomar of class 3rd B.
Greetings everyone, my name is Divisha Tomar. Now I am going to tell you something about Doctor's Day. God gives us life and doctors in turn help us to live that life healthily. Doctors are the lifesavers that common people look up to. A doctor's profession is the most respected one in our society. The National Doctors' Day is celebrated on July 1st across India. To honor the legendary physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, he was born on July 1st, 1882 and died on the same date in 1952, aged 80 years. This day is celebrated to show gratitude to all the workers in the medical field who have unconditionally and selflessly helped us in the time of need. Today more than ever, it is important for the people to realize the sacrifice that the doctors and the medical team has made for us day in and out. With the number of infected people on rise every day and hospitals being flooded with people on thousands regularly, doctors can be truly named as superheroes. This speech is a way to communicate our feelings to the community of doctors who have not only helped us in our everyday life but also have made relentless efforts towards achieving remarkable improvements in the medical field. We all should take the opportunity to appreciate their efforts and recognize their strength with heartfelt messages and delightful wishes.
Now, Avni Jain of class 2 C will recite a Hindi poem, हमारे डॉक्टर्स असली वॉरियर्स.
निराशा में भी आशा की लौ जगा देते हैं, असंभव को भी संभव बना देते हैं. उनकी सेवा भावना से, उनके महान कर्मों से हम इंसान उनको धरती पर भगवान बना देते हैं. सुप्रभात, मैं अवनी जैन कक्षा दूसरी की छात्रा आज आपको हमारे डॉक्टर असली वॉरियर्स पर एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ. कोरोना के इस युग में दोस्तों, डॉक्टर हैं असली वॉरियर्स. खेलकर अपनी जान पर बन गए हैं सुपीरियर. करने मानव की सुरक्षा है नींद उन्होंने त्यागी. देकर नवजीवन सबको काम किया बड़ा भागी. अपना चैन और आराम खोकर किया सबका सेवा सत्कार. इनके ही प्रयासों से ही रुक सका कुछ हद तक कोरोना का विकास. भूल गए ये अपनी खुशियाँ लाने को सबके जीवन में हास. कष्ट सहे कितने इन्होंने पर नहीं हुए उदास. अगर ये डॉक्टर न होते तो हम हो जाते परेशान. अगर ये न होते सोचो फिर कैसे मिलता हमको जीवन दान. धन्यवाद. Not all superheroes wear cape. Some walk around with stethoscope too. Now we have need to calm down and start with the basic treatments. I will be there in 15 minutes. Relax, sir. Nothing will happen to you. You will soon get your blood test reports. Okay? Here are your blood test reports. I'm sorry to tell you, sir, but you are COVID-19 positive. Calm down, sir. Relax. Nothing will happen to you. If you trust us, nothing can stop you from being cured. Okay? You will be fine. Sister, the patient needs to be quarantined and take care of him. This time is very critical for all of us, but we have to just smile and start each day with positivity. We never see that the patient is of which color, caste and creed. We are always there for everyone. Thank you.
That was superb. Now let's learn how to make a beautiful card for our doctors to thank them for their dedicated service.
Buddha.
Wow, that was beautiful. Now let us all stand for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे